In the AI era, artificial intelligence has become a key driving force for various industries, bringing efficiency and safety innovations to the industry. Since 2021, Green Valley has successively launched LiAir X, X2, and X3. Through the self-developed Airpilot intelligent algorithm, it has taken the lead in realizing the autonomous flight function of LiDAR equipment. Now, LiAir X4 is officially unveiled, bringing spatial perception to a new level. From PowerLineInspection to forestry and mining surveying and mapping flight, intelligence helps the industry's productivity innovation. LiAir X4 is equipped with a rotating laser to achieve omnidirectional scanning of point clouds, and the surrounding environment is unobstructed. Built-in high-precision self-developed inertial navigation. Integrated with high-performance AI chip, the processing speed of Airpilot algorithm is increased by 2 times. LiAir X4 supports antenna-free solution, which is easier to install. When inspecting power transmission lines, LiAir X4 supports fully automatic line following flight, with the maximum flight speed increased to 10 meters per second, efficiency increased by 50%, and flight trajectory more stable. It can easily complete inspection tasks of more than 20 kilometers in one day. Meanwhile, it automatically identifies obstacles and actively avoids them. When facing crossover lines, it can automatically determine the safe distance and directly climb over. Automatically identify line bifurcations, and then automatically switch routes according to the pilot's choice. In dual gimbal mode, it automatically identifies poles and towers and supports automatic shooting in front of, in the middle of, and behind the towers, so that the poles and channels can be inspected at one time. Also supports sideline flight, inspection of power lines and spacers between gears, and detection of hidden dangers such as broken wires, loose wires, and pin shedding and rusting. During flight, it supports real-time viewing of true color point clouds. Self-developed real-time smoothing and filtering technology improves real-time positioning accuracy by 60% and significantly improves the quality of real-time point clouds. The FPV and mapping camera video provide a clearer judgment of the transmission channel situation. In addition, pilots can also view pole tower ledgers and real-time tree obstacles and other information in real time. LiAir X4 also supports handheld mode to meet more scene scanning needs and maximize the value of the equipment. With Green Valley PowerLine software, LiAir X4 can conduct line completion acceptance analysis and output professional reports such as tree obstacle report, drainage threat distance report, conductor sag analysis report, phase distance analysis report, real-time working condition clearance danger point report, and real-time working condition crossing analysis report. Free your hands and make line inspection, asset surveys, and completion acceptance more efficient.